Hey, my name is Robert Westberg, and I want to thank you for visiting my website. This is our inaugural kickoff for our monthly deals. It's going to come out on the 28th of every month. So 28.westbergandassociates.com is going to be the website that you want to bookmark and come back to every month on the 28th. If you don't select this offer this month, maybe next month will be more appealing to you and we can move forward with the deal then. But what I wanted to do, first of all, just to tell you a little bit about myself, and then go over the deal with you really quickly so you've got a good idea of what this is all about and if this makes sense for you and your business to move forward with us on and partner to build the website as state-of-the-art, blazing fast page loads, and some services that you will not find packaged up into a website deal like what we have here. So again, my name is Robert Westberg. I own Westberg and Associates LLC. We are a digital marketing agency based here in Chandler, Arizona. I've been working with banks, financial institutions, small to medium-sized businesses since 2011. And now I focus solely on building out websites and offering services to small to medium-sized local businesses, typically in the service industry, HVAC, plumbers, roofers, beauticians, all sorts. We have multiple clients that we can show you. But what I want to do is go through our deal that we have with you and give you an idea of what it's about and how you can benefit from it. So let me share my screen here and let's get into this. So this is the website that you're on right now. The video that I'm creating is going to go right here. And this clock here is a countdown timer. This is when this hits zero, that this deal will be gone. We're not going to honor it anymore. And we're going to move on to another deal, which may be more expensive. It may not have as much as we're offering now. We're really trying to sweeten the pot for this deal and throw in everything but the kitchen sink and maybe even the kitchen sink. But this is the platform that we build on. It's Convertri. Convertri basically, and I have their website here, I think, yes. So they are a platform that builds funnels and web pages, but they don't do it themselves. They offer the service to people that want to build it on this platform. They have blazing fast page loads. And why is that important? Google loves fast page loads. It is going to help you rank higher in maps and organic SEO just by having pages that are always up and load within milliseconds. And our websites typically load within 100 to 300 milliseconds flat, no problems. But let me go and show you. They did this little thing here, and here's some of the companies they service. Shell Oil is with them. They've been, and Convertri's been around for about 7 years now. They've got videos. They're a huge company out in the UK. Fresh Development's another large company. But these companies are with Convertri because they have a great product. And now you can have the same platform that they're using through me. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this for you. So, but first of all, what they did here is they took one of their pages, it loaded in 518 milliseconds. And I'll tell you, that's slow for them. Like I said, I've seen my page load in 100 to 300 milliseconds on a regular basis. So they compared it to other page builders, and they ranked anywhere from 1.41 seconds to 7.49 seconds. Now, if you know anything about websites, if you're getting close to 3 seconds, that's the kiss of death. People are not going to wait anymore. They want things now, immediately. And if they hit that 3 second mark, they're bouncing back to their Google search and going to the next service provider that they're doing a search on and going to their website. So by having pages load immediately, it engages your customers, gives them content to review, and keeps them from bouncing. The only reason they're going to bounce then at that point is because you're not proving to them who you are. And we're going to talk about that in a minute. So again, so that is why you want to be on Convertri. Blazing fast page loads, and it's going to help you in your SEO. So that's the primary reason. But let me go over all the things that we give now with our websites, and I'll go over a couple examples that we have, show you that, and they're listed at the bottom of this webpage too. You can scroll there and click them and go and check those out. But first one is lifetime web hosting. No longer do you have to search for web hosting on a monthly or annual basis. When you purchase our 28 website deals, they are going to have lifetime web hosting included. You never have to worry about hosting again. It is included. And again, we're on the Convertri.com platform, been around already 7 years. You've seen Shell Oil is using them. They're going to be around for a long time to come. Now, what happens if something happens to me? You're probably saying to yourself, I'll get into that in a minute, but you're covered. We got you covered there. So, but this is $100 a year value. And even if you have a website for 10, 15 years with your business, That's $1,500 in value right there, just by not having to pay for hosting again on a platform that has blazing fast page loads like ConvertTree. The next one is reputation and promotional videos. We give you 2 to put on your homepage, and we put them on there for you. We are going to do a reputation video, taking one of your 5-star Google reviews and promoting it and promoting your company. And then we're going to do a promotional video for your company, just talking about the things you do. And we'll scatter in, we'll sprinkle in some reviews there as well, but just to promote your company. Now, I'm going to give you a secret here, and it's listed here, but you take that video, you upload it to your YouTube channel, and if you don't have one, I can do that for you. I will do that, throw that in as a freebie, but I will create your YouTube channel for you, upload your videos to that YouTube channel, optimize the title and the text so that you've got good search categories that can pick you up, and then we'll take those links and we'll embed them in your homepage on your website. What does that do? It helps you with maps and SEO again. This is a tip that you need to implement if you're not already. If you don't buy a website from us, just implement this tip. It will help you. And then once you have that on there, Google's going to see, oh, they got a YouTube video. We're going to promote that higher. So use that to your benefit. Now, this here, our videos go for $2.99 to $3.99 per video. So this is going to be right here, close to $800 in value just from these 2 videos that we're giving you. Next one here is the Google review widget. You work hard to get your reviews. You need to promote them so that people will see and have faith and trust in you, because what do people believe? Other people's reviews. Now, on my website, westbergenassociates.com, let me pull that up. Now you'll notice, I'm going to let this load. This pops up here. I'll talk about this in a minute. But as we scroll down here, you'll notice this pop-up. This is a pop-up widget promoting my Google 5-star reviews. Now, if I scroll all the way to the bottom of the page here, here is the carousel also showing my Google 5-star reviews. This is promoting me to my visitors, saying, hey, this person knows what they're doing. They've got good reviews, and here they are. This we give you free as part of this service. Now, this here, you'll find some companies charging from $99 to $499 a month for this. We give it to you as part of the deal for life. You don't have to pay for this ever again. You're going to have this widget on your website promoting you to your visitors. So that's another thing. Free logo development. If you have a logo, great. Give it to us in either PNG file or the vector file that you have it. We'll use it. But if you do not have a logo yet, we will develop it for you. We give you 2 hours of logo development time, and then it's yours. We'll give you the PNG file, the vector file, so you can use them on your business cards or on anything that you want to use for graphics. It's yours. Now, that's a $399 value for 2 hours of logo development time. Then we also give you an Americans with Disability ADA widget. Most website owners don't realize, but on January of 2022, a regulation went in place saying that all website owners had to have software or their website modified so that people with disabilities can access their website. I would say probably less than 2% of the websites out there have this code implemented onto them. We give you a widget for free for life for every website we build, because we want to make sure you have peace of mind so that no one's going to come at you and sue you because they had a seizure viewing your website. Now, again, here's my Westberg & Associates website. This is the ADA widget that we give you for free. Click that. It pops up this box here. And if they have epilepsy, they can change the flicker rate so they don't get a seizure. If they are visually impaired, it will help brighten up the page for them. If they have ADHD, they can then use this to focus with a light bar as they scroll up and down on your website. And there are other features that they can turn on here. So this is provided free for life. Now you don't have to worry about a lawsuit because someone got a seizure on your website. Also, this is a nice little feature. If you live near a geographic region that has a population from another part of the world, let's say Japanese, Japantown in Tokyo, in LA, right? You can translate the entire website, or they can, into their native language. As long as Google translates it, they can translate it into their language. and then they can see exactly what it is that you do. Now, images are images that they can't translate, but the words can be translated. And then they can say, hey, yeah, they can do this service, and then they can call you. And of course, they probably speak English anyway, but now they really understand what you're offering. So this is a really great feature that this offers you. And again, we give this free at no additional charge for every website we build. Even if you didn't get the 28 website deal that we're now offering every month on the 28th, if you just bought a website from us, this is included free because we want you to have peace of mind when someone comes to your website. So moving on now, going through here. Oh, again, this is a $49 a month service that if you searched ADA widget or Americans with Disability widget, find some companies, you're going to see they're charging $49 a month for this, for the life of your loan, or the life of your website, rather. I'm sorry. So you need to think about this in long terms. Again, if your site, if you're going to be in business for another 10 or 15 years before you possibly sell it or close it, that's $500 or a little over $500 that's coming out of your pocket to give you that peace of mind if you bought it directly from another company. So next one is free edits for 60 days. Once your site is ready and you say, yep, it looks good, go publish it. We're going to get it live. And then you have 60 days if you want to make some changes. So you're going to have pictures that you're going to be taking because maybe you haven't been thinking about pictures, but now you're thinking about getting good pictures, sending them to us. We'll update that. First 60 days, we'll make edits for you at no charge. Typically, we limit that, though, to 3 edit sessions. So you may have, photos coming in over the a 1 month period. We'll hold those until you say, okay, I think we've got enough to use now. And then we'll help you select the best ones for the homepage and then for the gallery, for the about page, to make sure that you are fully representing your company the way you want to with your photos. So we give you time to collect those photos, and then we work with you. We won't nickel and dime you saying, okay, we'll do this, but we're going to charge you first 60 days, no charge. Again, we try to edit to 3 sessions, 3 1-hour sessions. We can do a lot in an hour. So as long as you're getting us the photos, and then we can work with you to say, okay, this is what we think should go on page, the home page, on the gallery, on the about page, on service page, whatever, then we'll do it, knock it out, be done with it. Now, after 60 days, we do charge. It's $45 an hour for a 1 hour set, for 1 hour worth of work. We can do a lot in an hour, but we also give you credentials, and I'm going to get in that in a minute, so that you or someone on your team who maybe has some web development experience or just website experience, we can then let you update your site yourself. Again, your call. It's all about empowering you, the business owner, with your digital asset, your website. So moving down here, now that's, again, $45 an hour for that, for the free edits. That's the value that's there. SSL certification. If you'll notice up here, there's this little lock right here. This is my certification, SSL. This says that my site is encrypted and secure. Don't have to worry about somebody hacking it or hacking you through it. A lot of companies don't update this, and because of that, it will say not secure. And if someone comes to a site that says not secure, they're probably going to leave it immediately, not even going to give you a second look. They're going to the next Google search hit that they have on their search. But we give you an SSL cert for life. You never have to worry about that again. It is coming through Convertri, and they will then guarantee that your site is secure and encrypted. So again, this is a $25 a year value typically, but it could be even more depending on who may do that for you. So if someone's doing it for you, it may be $45 to $75 a year. So anyway, moving on, credentials for your site. We will give you credentials to access your site and be able to edit your website. So even though it's not a WordPress site where it's, you're loading in WordPress and you've got your own admin access, we are going to give you admin access to your site so that you can give it to another web developer or somebody on your team who does website building or maintenance, and they can update the website on your behalf, or you can do it yourself. There's a ton of videos on Convertri's YouTube channel. They have anywhere from 2 to 5 minute videos to show how to do little things like update a picture or update a page or update verbiage or whatever it is. You can just search, see how it's done, and do it yourself. Or again, we can do it for you. We want to help you, but it's again about empowering you to do what you want with your digital assets. So now that there if you wanted to get a Convertri account yourself, it's $1,000 a year. So you can do that, and that's the value. Then you basically have a lifetime website on Convertri without paying Convertri that $1,000 a year charge that they charge. So something to think about. Then Google Business Profile Optimization document. We will give you a document showing you how to optimize your Google Business Profile. Again, I'm a Google Maps guy. SEO has its value, but even if you did SEO and you were #1 on the page for SEO, Maps is above you. It's listed above you. They are above you in a search. And let me show you what I'm talking about here. So here, I'm going to just do this here. Electrician near me. Near me is the most popular keyword phrase when people are searching for services. So right, if I do this, it shows me these here. These are actual ads. They're called LSAs, local service ads. So if you want to be on the top of Google, you just have to pay for ads. You can be at the top of Google with pay-per-click ads. These are pay-per-click ads. Or you can be in Maps. This is the Map Pack. So these 3 companies are in the top of a Google search, top third of the page, above SEO rankings here, right? These are all SEO. Maps beats them out in placement. So why would you want to be down here when you can be here? This is why Maps is huge, and a huge potential for more income and more business for you when you start interacting with Google Business the way Google wants you to. So you'll notice here 77 reviews versus 130 versus 124. They're #1 and they only have 77 versus 130 and 124. You would think it would be 1, 2, and then 3, but it isn't. And the reason why is typically reviews or posts or pictures. So I'll just go into this really quick. We'll go in #1, take a look at them. So you'll notice here, they got their website, they got their phone number, service area, services listed here, good list of services. That's nice. Reviews, good reviews, but I see something missing here that will help even you, if you started late getting reviews, move up quickly into Maps, and that is responses. They are not responding with a thank you to their customers. Google almost looks at that as neglect. Someone took the time to come to your Google Business Profile. Oh, there's one right there. Someone took the time to come to your Google Business Profile, but you didn't even say thank you. That's not good. Google wants you to interact, and that's what it's all about, interaction. So photos, let's see what their photos look like. That's it. Not many, not enough, really. They need more. If they want to keep their first place, they're going to have to get on their pictures and put in pictures of every job that they finish. Just take a picture, upload it, done. This is good that they got pictures of the team. That's very good. I like that. But I'd like to see maybe more of the offices of people in there taking calls or doing clerical work in the office. That would be nice. As well as pictures of every job they finish. Just snap a picture, upload it, done, boom. So this is just very high level. The documents that we go into tell you how many photos you should have. It also talks about posts and updates that they don't have here, and the reviews. And there is a way to supercharge your reviews. I'm not going to tell you that. That is a little bit of a secret. But when you ask for a review, there's a way to supercharge it so that it helps you move up in Maps even that much quicker. You have to get a website with us to get that information. So I'm going to just leave it at that right now. So this is, and then again, our support. You're going to find that we provide exceptional support to our clients. We are very quick in building websites. If you can get the information and pictures and data to us, we can get your site up typically within a week's time, no problem. But I'll be honest with you, typically you guys are just so busy, you don't have the time to respond that quickly, and it takes a little bit longer. But if you can respond that quickly, we can work that quickly, and we will. We want to get your site up. We want to get you out there so that you're starting to get tracked by Google, get crawled every day by Google and their spiders, so that they are grabbing that information and starting to build a profile based on that website. So, but some of the things that we don't do anything with adult entertainment, illegal drugs, gambling, or left-wing political ideology. If you are in any one of these areas, I'm sorry, we can't work with you. We will not work with you, and you'll have to find a website through some other means. So what does this all come down to? What's the price? Let's talk about it. One-time payment of $1,700 versus our regular payment amount of $2,600. So That is our price. Again, this is a one-time payment. You're not paying this month to month. You own this website. Once you pay and we build it and deliver it, it is yours forever. And you get all of the benefits above that I just went over. So again, we sell just a website and the ADA widget that I showed you on my website, right? On Westberg and Associates, actually it's here too. This little widget here, we give that as part of our website deal. And that's really all we give is the website in that. And then if they want additional services, we sell those on piecemeal basis. But for our 28th website deal this month, our inaugural kickoff, we're giving you everything for $1,700 one-time payment flat. And again, you don't pay us anything again ever if you don't want to. Now you are totally up and running with your website once we get it up. Again, 7 to 10 days max if you're getting us the information we need to update your site and get it going. But you then have that site for life and you don't have to pay us another red cent going forward. So this is our deal. And I want to thank you again for taking the time. Oh, that's we did have 2 people that have already opted to take us up on this offer. We can only offer this to 10 companies for this month. So as that number starts to dwindle, we will then update this to whatever the most recent count is as of that day. So 10 updated here, 10 as well. If you are interested, you can click on this link here to go to our ThriveCart shopping cart and purchase directly there. Or you can call me, just go down here. You can click on this button here, or at the top, there's another link that you can click on to call my cell phone directly. Now, these are all links to either demo websites or client websites that we have built, mostly on the Convertri website. Now, the ones that are in red are on WordPress. They are built originally when we first started building out last year, but this is a WordPress site. This is a WordPress. This is a WordPress. This is a WordPress in red, but anything that's black is Convertri. And again, you can go to our site here, Convertri. You can see again how quickly it loads. And again, just hit refresh a couple times. See how quickly it loads. The pages come in. Everything is there. It's just amazing. And this is what you want for your site. You want fast page loads just like this. Now, again, the number is at the bottom. My email is also in the footer, but here's my cell phone number. Actually, you can call me directly on my cell phone. The other number is our office number, which will eventually get to me, but this is my direct number. You can call or text here at any time. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. Feel free to email me or text me with any questions you have, or set up a call and we can go ahead and call you at whatever time works for you. And we can do a Zoom call. We can go over everything and show you everything, or just a normal phone call and answer your questions. So again, thank you again for your time. We appreciate it. Have a good day. Hope you had a great holiday weekend. Bye-bye.